Can you see how gorgeous and beautiful this turkey meat looks? I bet you are already salivating. Just the message of it brings out the whole hunger in you. Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greyglamma GGM. I will show you how to make yummy, delicious and tasteful turkey meat for big gatherings. Please, if you are new, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment and also click the like button. The first step is to season the meat. Now I have added Scotch bonnet, pepper, onion, ginger powder, garlic powder, bouillon powder, salt and curry powder. Add all the spices. Mix them well with the chicken or with the turkey. Right now I'm doing turkey meat, not turkey, the country turkey, no, turkey meat. So that's what I'm cooking today. I'll still show you how to make chicken meat for big gathering. So when you have mixed everything together, cover the pots and steam the meat for like 10 minutes. This is to help the meat absorb the ingredients before you now add water. You can see that it has, after steaming it, it brings out its own water. Then you add little water to it because we are going to use the stock from the turkey meat to cook the rice. Okay, so you just add little water, cover and cook for about 15 minutes. Turkey meat doesn't need much cooking because it's tender. It's not like gallina, that is old layers that takes more time to cook. So now I am going to use this fryer to fry it. It's not air fryer, I'm using oil. If you have air fryer, you can use air fryer, or you can just put it into the oven and roast it there. What I hope to achieve by frying it is just to give it that brown color. That's all, because it's already cooked. So I'll fry each batch for like a minute because I set the fryer now to 160 degrees. Just 1 minute and the turkey will come out brown. I forgot to show you what I did earlier. I dropped an onion, 1 bulb of onions into the oil to give it a wonderful taste and flavor. And I have my patty turkey meat. It is ready. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and leave a comment, a like, and click the notification bell so that you get notification each time I make a new video. Thank you for watching and remain blessed. Bye.